In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a session indicator on TradingView. Session indicators make it easy to see when major markets like Asia, London, and New York are open, so you can quickly spot timing patterns, volatility windows, and overlaps that often drive price movement. Start with your TradingView chart open. At the top of the screen, click the Indicators button. It looks like a little beaker or a bar chart icon. This opens the indicator library, where you can search for what you need. In the search bar, type terms like session, Forex sessions, FX market sessions, or sessions Lux Algo. Different scripts use slightly different names, so trying a couple of keywords helps you find a layout you like. When you see a reputable option, click it to add it to your chart. Two popular choices many traders use are FX market sessions and sessions Lux Algo. Either one will immediately shade or highlight the chart to show Asia, London, and New York trading hours, and sometimes the overlap periods. Don't worry if the colors look intense at first, we'll tune that next. Look to the top left of your chart, where the indicator's name appears in the chart legend. Click the small gear icon next to it to open Settings. Inside the Settings, find the time zone input, usually under Inputs or a similar tab. Set this to your local time zone or to a standard like UTC. If you trade US markets, you might choose America New York. Matching the indicator's time zone to your preferred reference helps avoid confusion, especially around daylight saving time shifts. Now let's customize the appearance so it's informative without getting in your way. Adjust the colors to something that contrasts gently with your candles, and lower the transparency so you can clearly see price action beneath the session blocks. If your focus is, say, London volatility, you can toggle off Asia or New York to keep the chart clean and focused. And if the script includes daily dividers, vertical lines that separate each trading day, feel free to disable them if they clutter your view. The goal is a layout that highlights sessions but keeps price, levels, and indicators front and center. That's it. Add the session indicator, set the time zone for accurate timing, and tailor the visuals to your style. With this setup, you'll quickly read the market's rhythm and know exactly which session you're trading in at a glance.